Today I'll show you how I turned Monalisa into Lisa. Sorry, Lisa into Monalisa. What? So I was watching a BLACKPINK video on YouTube and suddenly this idea popped into my head. Oh, not this one. Lisa plus Monalisa. Wow, I just cracked a stupid concept. But it sounds cool, right? I'm really sorry DaVinci bro. Let me try this.
Okay.
So I got the images. Let's start. First of all, grab the Monalisa artwork onto your canvas and resize according to your liking. I'm using a 4x5 canvas, so I have to crop some parts. Then I open the image of Lisa that I wanted to replace. I'm using the polygonal lasso tool to cut her face. I'm leaving a little space while cutting so I can erase the excess part while editing. Then it's time to match the face size and the eye positions according to the artwork. Otherwise, it looks unreal. After that, I'm going to erase the excess parts using a layer mask. I'm using a soft round brush so it will blend with the artwork better. Then I use a little bit of color balance to match the color in the background. After that, I use dodge and burn to darken up the overexposed areas. When doing these kind of works, the main part is color matching, so take your time in that. Now the face looks realistic and the background looks artistic. So we can fix that using a smudge tool. Just paint over the face, it will make a nice painting effect. Then a little bit of curves to match the lightness. I just felt the neck is too long, so I dragged the head a little bit down. After that, I used the clone stamp tool to get rid of these parts. Still, the colors looks bit off. To fix that, I applied a color lookup and decreased the opacity. Now a bit better. After that, I merged everything together and added a CameraRAW filter. Not gonna lie, this made the artwork 10 times better. Finally, let's add an oil paint effect, so it looks like a painting. Let's add the title. And yeah, that's it. That's our Mona Lisa. Lisa Mona. Nice. Hope you learned something new today. If you did, like the video and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram for fun reels and stuff. And that's it. Bye.